So hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Way Tutorials. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a scroll top button using HTML and CSS. You can see that when I click on this top arrow button, it will redirect to first photo. So let's start the video. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel Tech Way Tutorials if you are new in my channel. So let's start the video. First open the VS Code and create one file called scrolltop.html and put the basic HTML boilerplate and give the title scroll top. Okay, so in the body section create one section and in that give one id as 1. Okay, let's live the website. It's working properly. Okay, so next in the style tag give the CSS in S1, add position relative with 100%, height will be 100 VH, and background URL image1.jpg, background size will be covered, and background position will be center. Let's again refresh the web page. You can see that the first photo will be successfully uploaded. So next we create the another section. So copy that section and paste it. Next give it the name as 2. Copy this one and paste again and change the S1 to S2 and here image 2. You can see that second photo properly in the screen. So again copy this section and paste and change the name as a S3. Copy this and change the name S3 and image will be image3.jpg. You can see that we will put three photos in the three different section. Next we will remove this white space, this white space we will remove. So remove that white space. In the style tag add CSS padding 0 and margin 0. You can see that white space will be disappear from screen. Okay, so next we will add button for the scroll. For that first we copy this one and paste in head tag. This link will be used for arrow icon. I will provide these links and these images in the description so you can use that. Okay, so in the section 3 we add one anchor tag In that we can add this section S1. In this anchor tag, add a class name like go top, and in that one create one I tag for the icon. Give the class name as FAS F dash arrow up. Okay, let's refresh the web page. This icon will be not appear because we cannot give the CSS in this class name, this one. Okay, so first we add CSS in this class. So add position fix, border radius will be 30 pixel, width will be 40 pixel, and height will be also 40 pixel. Background will be golden road. From bottom 15 pixel, from right 80 pixel. Text align will be center. Line height will be 40 pixel. Color will be white, and add font size 80 pixel. So let's refresh the web page. You can see that the icon will be properly displayed in this screen. You can see that when I click on this icon, it will redirect the first photo. Also we can say that it's a home page like this. It is not working properly because first we add scroll behavior smooth in this html tag. Html, this we can add one html tag. In that we can add scroll behavior smooth. Let's again click this button. You can see that the it will redirect the home page with smooth effect. It will working properly. Okay, next we will add animation in this button. Animation will be like when we refresh this web page, so this button will be appear after the 3 second. Okay, so let's again the go top class. In that add animation, give it name as a go top, and 3 second. It means when we refresh the web page, this button will be appear after the 3 second. Okay, add one linear and forward, add keyframes, and give the name go top, this one. These both name are same. In that add 0%. When the animation will be on 0%, opacity will be 0. It means When we refresh the web page, the animation in 0%, so this button will be not appear. After the animation will be in 50%, then opacity will be also 0, and 100% opacity will be 1. Let's refresh the web page. You can see that when refresh, we can refresh the web page. After the 3 second, this button will be appear on the screen. Let's again refresh. You can see that after the 3 second, button will be appear. Next we will add some hover effect in this go top icon. So right go top in that column and right hover. In that we can add color will be white. Let's refresh the web page. After 3 seconds it will be appear. We can give not white, we can give as black because it's already white color. So let's refresh. You can see when I move cursor on this icon, it will be in black color. Okay, so let's click on this button. It will be smoothly redirect the first page. Okay, if you find this video helpful, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tech V Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.